Yin and yang, yes, we are. Good morning.
Good morning, USA. It's not good morning for us yet. What is your name?
That's Maddie. No. Not here.
I want the pink one.
That's Maddie.
Hi.
Thank you.
We're good. Hello.
Hi. No.
I don't get it.
Hi.
I'm also
Thank
the
you.
innocent one.
You are. Thank you.
I have some questions.
Okay.
Okay.
Diet Coke. She loves Diet Coke.
I do.
It's her favorite drink.
Are you proud of your life? Yes.
I guess.
But also,
Hello.
look. Do you care about your dignity? Okay. Just, I want to hear the next one. Sure. Is this the right way to earn money?
We don't do it for money.
We just do it for fun. We're just talking.
I already sold my soul, honey. I'm fine. I am just fine.
Selling your soul? I'm not selling my soul.
I already did. It's great. You know.
What's the purpose of life?
I don't know.
Good question.
Thank you
What
for
is-
the rose.
What is the purpose of your life? Because you're coming on someone else's live for what? To try and get someone to get pissed? Because it's not working.
I am single, but I'm not looking.
Can I get a follow? Sure, after the live. Hello! We are good. We literally just sit here and talk.
We do.
So I don't understand why you
One
have to be all
time-
snappy.
We were literally.
Are you Christian?
Nope.
I am. I'm Catholic. I guess she doesn't know how to kiss. We're sisters. Some people post useless comments and stupid questions.
Yep.
Mommy taught you to be Catholic? So?
You're from Jersey? I've never been to Jersey, but I do want to go.
Did you read the Holy Bible? For school? Am I married? Yes, I am. Did you research on history? Why would I want to do that? I've been to New York, but we didn't go to Jersey. We were going to, because there's a bakery that I wanted to go to, but we didn't have time. We were only there for 4 days.
I want to go to Carlos Bakery.
That was right next to it. We didn't go because we just had lunch.
I wouldn't care. I would go see Carlos Bakery.
Did you go before?
No.
Really?
I went to New York once, but we didn't go to Carlos Bakery.
It was in the Strip.
We never went. We were just like all over the place.
Why would you want to do that, huh? Sadly, you are human.
Okay.
You are human too. Where in Jersey was the bakery? God, I can't remember. Do I think my husband cares about me?
He does.
Yes. He does. He's in the other room. Your heart is big. Thank you. Okay. Some questions, please. Opportunities for a better life. I like you don't talk with others. Can we explore together to better our lives? You've done 2 mistakes in your life?
When we go to New York.
Your mistake is this.
Open.
Duh. And can we go to Kleinfeld? You think? I really want to go find my wedding dress there. So bad.
I have an idea.
I'm scared.
We could take Quinn.
Oh my god, Quinn would love to go. Hi. Hi.
Should I text him and be like, do you want to go to Kleinfeld's and Carlos Bakery?
Ginger and chubby, I'm exactly where I want to be.
Aw.
Are you together? We are sisters. Are there